Alright, let's try to find the Laplace transform of power function t to the a, which comes out to be gamma of a plus 1 over s to the a plus 1. The definition of gamma function is stated here. Right, thanks to this gamma function, we do not have to evaluate the integral to find this. Right, so here is how it goes. Right, so I'm going to start with the Laplace transform of t to the a. Following the definition, we have integral from 0 to infinity e to the negative st times t to the a with respect to t. I'm going to try to make this integral look like the definition of the gamma function here. So I'm going to make this substitution. We want st to be a single variable. So we're going to let st be u. Dividing both sides by u, we have t is equal to u over s. Taking a derivative of both sides with respect to u, we get dt over du is equal to 1 over s. Multiplying both sides by du, we get the expression for dt, which is du over s. Right, how about the limits? So t goes from 0 to infinity. Right, so you can see that when t is 0, u is going to be 0. As t approaches infinity, u approaches infinity. So therefore, u goes from 0 to infinity. So we can rewrite this integral in terms of u, which is going to look like this. Right, so the limit is the same, integral from 0 to infinity. Right, so we replace st by u, so we have that. Right, also t is same thing as u over s, so we replace t by u over s here, and you have the 8th power, and then dt is replaced by du over s right here. Right, so you can see that here there is s to the a, and then you have another s. So you have s to the a plus 1 on the bottom. So we can pull that out. So we have 1 over s to the a plus 1. And the remaining integral would be integral from 0 to infinity. You have e to the negative u, right? You have u to the a, but I'm going to write it as u to the a plus 1 minus 1, so that it fits exactly the format there. And then you have it with respect to u, right? So you can see that this is a gamma function with x equals a plus 1. Therefore, we get gamma of a plus 1 over s to the a plus 1, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.